Ayan mga ka-vlogs. Ayan, bakit voice control disabled? Ito tayo sa ano, dito sa titingnan nating Nissan Xterra 2005. Pero medyo mahal eh, 2,000. Magkano yun? 4,500 daw. Tingnan natin manual eh. Tingnan ko kung worth it. Dito lang, pwedeng dito na mag-e-bike eh. Ano muna tayong tubig? Ano naman dito sa bulsa? Tuloy yung sipong ko ah. Lapit lang. Yan. Ito. Lapit lang eh. Ito lang. Maaraw siya pero ang hangin niya is ano pa rin. Malamig pa rin. Pero parang nilinis nila na ng konti na itong mga gravel dito eh. Very crispy ha. Nakikita nyo ba yung mapa? Kailangan ko bumili ng ano? Ng gloves. Mga ka-vlogs. Dito lang pala eh. Kapit lang. Aray. Saan ba? Lapit lang. Dito lang pala. Saan? 2306. Oak. Ito ba yan? Ito ata, yun. $2306. Ito. Yan. Sino? Sino? Ano natin? Ganda. Yan, tinignan natin yung Nissan Xterra. Tapos, ang bala ko is i-trade sa kanya yung truck ko na F-150 na 2003. Hindi ko naman ginagamit sa winter. Ginagamit ko lang pag kami tinatapon akong basura. So, and I might change that. Kasi pagka sa winter, parang something is not working with parang yung air is hindi siya, pagka sobrang lamig hindi siya nag-spark ata, nagko-combust yung kanyang gas kaya hindi mag-start. Pero pag warm na nag-i-start. So na-found out ko lang yan this past winter, pero last winter naman nag-work. So I don't know. It's an older vehicle, so normal na talaga pagka normal vehicle. Ito, tinitignan ko yung kanyang is standard Nissan Xterra. Medyo okay pa naman siya. Yung mga niya is okay pa. Yung dinrive ko okay pa. May 4x4 wheel, tsaka 4 high, 4 low. Ayan. So
like 3-4 months ago it was short.
Yeah.
and then do you guys have another set of tires for these, or?
No, that's why I had mentioned tires.
Oh yeah, right.
We use these during the winter. We didn't do too bad, but it will need a new set before the next winter. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If somebody else will take a look, we'll just keep in touch, and if you want to take a look at that.
It's not a no, yeah, maybe we can come see those kind of vehicles. It's not a no.
Yeah.
We just want to check them out first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine is I live in
Okay.
Okay.
so if you can take a look at that.
My little one, I have a little tiny baby, so
Yeah.
I'll
I mean, you could check it out later on, or
we do have someone else
Alright,
coming
yeah,
in a couple
okay.
hours, so
Alright.
we're gonna do it. It'll have to be right.
yeah, and then
Okay.
and yeah. So you travel in the highway. It's okay,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah,
It's
it's
just-
been fine. It's been really
doesn't-
good. Like I said, we wouldn't even be selling it if we didn't have such a big family.
Oh.
And I can't drive standard by myself, so
No?
he's
I'm the only
driving
standard
and I have
driver
the-
here.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah, the
and
truck's
after-
automatic, and the Focus is
Yeah, okay.
The Focus
Standard.
is standard and the truck's automatic.
Okay.
yeah.
Well,
Okay.
we can have a look.
Yeah.
Probably not so much the car. I'd be looking at the truck, if anything.
Yeah.
So,
But,
Alright.
okay. So yeah, and your name again? Sorry,
It's Brett.
Brett.
Yeah.
Okay, Robert.
Robert. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Robert. We'll keep it.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Okay. Thank you for showing it.
yeah, so maybe like half an hour or so.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Brett. See ya. Ayan mga vlogs, so you could barter or trade dito sa Canada kung gusto nila, or kung gusto mo rin yung kanilang i-trade. Tsaka syempre win-win pagka ganun, di ba? I guess sometimes a little bit of money involved. So yan. Yung KBB nga pala is Kelly Blue Book. Ay yung parang book value ng titignan mo yung magkano third
Yan,
party
tingnan natin.
sale
Ano tayo
o
pupunta?
kaya yung
Dito na
sa
lang.
yung trade-in
Masyadong
value
rough
ng
dun
mga private mga dealer ganyan andun. Pero rough estimate lang yun syempre. Kaya i-ano mo rin, i-tansya mo rin kung anong price, tsaka yung sa syempre yung condition ng kotse, di ba? Yan. Dati pagka yung binibigay ata parang walang tax na, pero ngayon is yung book value na nung kotse, kahit na sabihin mo ganito ang presyo mo nabili, they won't listen for that unless na estimate mo nga sa estimator. Yan kung magkano talagang book value. Yan. Ngayon based na sa book value yung tax ng province ng BC. Yan. Siyempre, yun din yung kung ano yung lagay talaga ng kotse, yun ang dapat mong bayaran based on tax. So tax is doble-doble, no? Yung brand new, yung nabili na naman o nabenta na naman, tsaka paulit-ulit pag habang binibenta natataksan ng gobyerno, no? So yan, na overtax na ang isang kotse pagpapalit-palit ng owner. Yan. So in conclusion, no, I think hybrid muna ang magiging in demand bago fully electric. Ang demands para sa transportation dito sa Canada, kasi by 2035 2030 they wanna get rid of all the combustion engine. So I don't know if it can be done right away. Kailangan nilang infrastructure na maraming charger, tsaka it takes a long time para mag-refuel ng electricity. So sa mga bahay din, kailangan i-update din yung mga plug. So yan, I don't know if it can be done in less than 10 years now, or 10 years almost. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. At sana'y nagustuhan nyo ang vlog natin. At sa susunod, see you later, alligator. Yan, at titignan ko sa KBB kung magkano yung value ng kanyang Nissan Xterra. Yan, para alam ko rin.
Yan. Ito muna tayo.